Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Brazil. Found this at a local Brazilian cafe slash market called Kitanda. This is Nissin Miojo. Turma do Chico Bento Sabor Caldinho de Feijao. I think. It's Brazilian. It's a black bean soup flavored affair. So let's do it. To it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. I like that video. I think that one's funny. The guy who does like the funny dance. It's a funny dance. Hey. Yeah, really hoping to get out and do some fun with the walkity walk, but I don't think that's gonna work out today. I'd like it to, but I don't know. It just keeps snowing. It's like, oh look, it's raining. It's going. Oh, I see. Oh. It's supposed to snow until 1 p.m. and it's 9:30, and we've gotten back more than what we had last night after it rained a little bit earlier. So, I don't know. I'm sure there's people watching this that are like, how much snow do you have, dude? We got maybe an inch. Ha 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 ha. So my brother's kids live in Buffalo. They're the ones who got so much snow it was caving in roofs over there. That's a lot of snow. We've never gotten anything like that here. Maybe twice in my life. And I'm 21, you know, so. Yeah. Oh, it was weird today. Or last night, my sister was going through old videotapes and found a video that had my mom and dad talking on it. And that was the first time that I've heard my father's voice since 1995. It was weird. I could like barely recognize it. It sounded like really, really slowed down, like somebody did a pitch shift on it. It's like, did he always sound like... And he was talking about things. I was like, what? He was talking about how he liked Coming to America and Trading Places, those movies. And it's just like, my dad actually liked that? That does not seem even possible. I don't know. I really didn't understand my dad, and he didn't really understand me. So now at later years, I kind of wish we had a better relationship. I mean, I definitely wish we had a better relationship, but it's just like... But I listened to him talking about stuff, and I'm like, man, that guy sounds kind of like me. Weird. Huh. But yeah, if you're estranged from your parents and they didn't beat the crap out of you or anything like that, you know, regret is a regrettable thing. Act now, don't cause future regret. Yeah, that's the weird thing about being around Christmas time. It's like I miss my mom, and, you know, being a kid and all that stuff. I pine for the olden days when life was so much simpler. But I can vicariously live through my children doing that, so something to do. But yeah, it's funny. I wasn't trying to walk 10 miles a day when I was a little kid, but I certainly didn't let snow keep me from getting out and going and doing junk. Okay, let's see what we have here. We're going to put the Caldinho de Feijao seasoning in the noodles and such. I hope that actually opened up. It did. Beautiful. Okay, so this is like a black bean soup, and unfortunately I don't have anything. Like, it just shows cilantro and what's the other thing? Cilantro and like sour cream on top. anything like that, which really bums me out. I want it to be like somewhat-ish. Alright. I don't know about this one. More curious about the broth and the noodle. I'm pretty familiar with this style Monica's Gang noodle now. I think it's just their standard Nissin Ramen noodle. Cheers. Not very black beanie. I'm getting that slight grittiness when you have a bean soup. Just like that little tinge of it. So that's interesting. Yeah, I'm getting the bean. The beanie weenie. Let's put this in here. Oh, so what do I do to this stuff? I don't have really a lot to work with here. I think I got a plan. Giving it the comb over. Try to be a little mellow on it. Where'd my onion go? Where'd my onion go? Onion. There you go. Oh, my crispy onions ended up under the onion slicer. That's craperific. So it's got like onion juice all over it. I'm just gonna put fried onion on top of it. That just seems like the most logical thing that I can do with what I got. It's not bad. I mean, it's pretty. I would say for me, it's kind of boring. There was this one. There was a tomate suave, a tomato one, and there was a chicken. The chicken was good. The tomato was good. This wasn't too bad. So let's let Rotato. Let's see. Whoa, we're a little off kilter there. It's like my brain immediately wants me to use some kind of pepper thing, but I know that's just not the way. So let's rotate. Let's just do that. Rotate, yeah. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this Ace Cook Shrimp Miso. This comes by way of Zen Pop. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.